I want to thank the industry for their support, supporting the forum, and making us proud in all the support we're having. That is the survival of the Transport Forum. It's the support of the industry. If the industry does not support us, then obviously it won't work. So that's the big thing. Our world changed quite a lot, and the Transport Forum plays a major role in the changing world and helping people to stay abreast of the challenges, understand the narrative, what's happening out there, where should you focus, providing a knowledge base on our web that they can download all the presentations and learn. And then I would invite the industry to go to our website, transportseek.com, and register as a user on that website. It's complimentary. And then you'll have access to all the presentations to download and collaborate. That's my message out there. Let's keep on supporting each other. Let's keep on helping each other and learning from each other.